Hi, Green Spellers. So this week for spelling, we are sorting our words based on the long I vowel sound. And the spelling patterns that the long I vowel sound can be spelled is just with an I, with an IGH, or with a Y. So when you're thinking about which way to spell words with a long I vowel sound, the spelling IGH can appear in the middle or at the end of words. Okay, so let's look at the first word, night. So the word night, I, G, and H put together creates that long I vowel sound. Right. If you notice that the IGH is in the middle of the word just like it is in night. So this kind of right is like you turn right to get to the ice cream shop. Or that is the right way of doing things. Now you might be thinking of this type of right. That's how you spell that type of right. So this long I vowel sound is because of the silent E on the end. When you're writing a story. Okay, another one that's spelled with IGH is high. So that building is super high. It's very tall. So it's spelled IGH, but the IGH spelling pattern comes at the very end of the word. And one more in this header is light. So if you notice, the spelling pattern IGH is in the middle of the word light. Okay, let's talk about long I vowel sound with just an I. So the word find. I could not find my toys. That does make the long I vowel sound. It looks like it would be find, but it's not find, it's find, the long I vowel sound. Wild. There are some wild animals. I think I got them all in that category. Oh, I forgot one in this one. Sigh. So if there's something that you might not want to do, you might go like that. That's when you sigh. Okay, long I vowel sound, spelling pattern with a Y. The word July, the month of July. Now this is uppercase. Why do you think that's an uppercase J and not a lowercase j? Yeah, because it's a proper noun. It's a specific month. Fry, so a French fry. Now if I want to make this plural, I can't just add an S on the end. So let's say I was talking about French fries. French fries. I drop the Y and I add an I-E-S. So spy. If you spy on a sibling, if you wanted to make it plural, you drop the Y and add an I-E-S. So I want you to write each spelling word 3 times in your writing notebook. Work on that handwriting and correct spelling. And then there will be word work activities on our spelling and phonics page on our website. There's also word work activities that will be on your choice boards.